It's just to release the tension. So what I want us to do, the tide is going out a little bit. We're going to go up in a few minutes. But I wanted to share a couple of things with you before we do that. And this is something for you to take home with you, because we tend to want to say things to people that we never say. And then they die. And then you say, oh my God, I wish that I could say it. And some time ago, my niece wrote this for our family. And it was really, really quite profound. And I'd like to share some of that with you today. And what it says is that if I knew that this was the last time that I would see you fall asleep, I would tuck you in more tightly and pray the Lord your soul to keep. If I knew it would be the last time that I'd see you walk out the door, I would give you a hug and a kiss and call you back for one more. If I knew it would be the last time I'd hear your voice lifted up in praise, I'd videotape each action and word so that I could play them back each day. If I knew it would be the last time I could spare a minute or two to stop and say, I love you, instead of assuming that you would know that I do. If I knew it would be the last time I'd be there to share your day, well, I'm sure you'll have so many more, so I can just let this one slip away. For surely there's always tomorrow to make up for an oversight, and we always get a second chance to make everything right. There will always be another chance to say, is there anything I can do? But just in case I might be wrong, and today is all I get, I would like to say how much I love you and hope that we never forget. Tomorrow is not promised to anyone, young or old alike. And today may be the last chance you get to hold your loved one tight. So if you're waiting for tomorrow, why not do it today? For if tomorrow never comes, you'll surely regret the day that you didn't take that extra time for a smile, for a hug, for a kiss, and you were too busy to grant someone what turned out to be his or her last wish. So hold your loved ones close today and whisper in their ear. Tell them how much you love them and that you always hold them dear. Take time to say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, or it's okay. And if tomorrow never comes, you'll have no regret about today. So when we go from here, when we go home, to those people that we love, to those people that we don't like, you can tell them that. I don't like you. I don't like some of my family. I love them, but I don't like them. That's who they are. But take a moment to be able to say to those that are close to you, those that you care about, you're important to me. You're very important to me, and I love you. And she has her daughter here to come into the circle. And who else is here with their sibling, with their child.